Om Swastiastu. Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making Tuung Mesambal. Tuung is eggplant and Mesambal is mixed with sambal. This dish is inspired by very famous Minang cuisine from West Sumatra called Terong Balado. Terong is eggplant and Balado is a type of hot spicy chili sambal. So later for the chili sambal, I'm using 3 big red chili and I removed the seed already, 5 Bali hot pepper, 5 shallot, 1 lime fruit, 2 kaffir lime leaf, oyster sauce, salt, sugar, vegetable oil, fresh water, white pepper, and of course eggplant. First, we are going to steam the eggplant. Before I steam, I will cut it first. In the original recipe, they normally deep fry the eggplant, but I'm trying to using less oil, that's why I steam it. So let's cut the eggplant now. The steamer is ready, let's put it inside. I'm going to steam them for 3 until 4 minutes or until it's soft enough. So it's been 4 minutes and the eggplant is cooked. I just put aside. Now let's prepare the chili sambal. First, I'm going to cut the chilies. If you would like to use mortar and pestle, it's absolutely fine. I'm using blender today. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh water. We blend it but not too fine. Finish. Put on the cooker, medium, and add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Wet the oil until hot enough. Add the chili paste. Oyster sauce. Stir it few seconds. Add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sugar, pinch of white pepper. Cook it around 1 until 2 minutes or until it's cooked. Just for a few seconds before it's really cooked, add the kaffir lime leaf. So now it's cooked, turn off the heat and I add a little squeeze of lime juice and add the eggplant. Make sure that all the eggplant cover with sambal. So let's plate it. Let's slice some chilies for garnish. And lime fruit. Here we are, Tuung Mesambal. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes and I will see you in my next video. Matur Suksma. Bye bye.